subtraction of matrices. As you can see, those two matrices on the board. So I'm going to show you how to perform the matrix subtraction. Well, it's not kind of thing that you don't understand, okay? So this minus this one must be something else. So, 5 minus 2 is something, right? And then 3 minus 0 is something else. So that's all you need to do. But make sure before you perform the matrix subtraction, those two matrices are in same size. Other than that, you can't do it. Okay? So let's start. So the preparation of the matrix subtraction is just to write your resultant or matrix at the result of the subtraction. Okay, write it. Now the matrix which is the result of the matrix must be the same size of two matrices over here. Okay, so let's start. The first one, so 5 minus 2, what is this? Yeah, 3, so right over here. Okay, next one, 7 minus 3, what is this? 4. Next one, 6 minus 1, which is 5. Okay, and then what else? 9 minus 7 is written over here, which is 2, and then 8 minus 1, which is here. Okay, and then 3 minus 0, which is simply 3. That's all. That's all you need to do. Okay, and then we can have a look at another example. Say the first matrix is in 3 by 2, size of 3 by 2. The second matrix is 3 by 3. We can't do it because they are in the same size. Okay, two matrices are in same size. Therefore, how do you answer? You can say just undefined, or I can't do it. So what's the reason? Can't add, okay, of these matrices because they are not in same size. That's all you need to say. Okay, so that's the matrix subtraction.